Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the change in the paper pattern, that means the semesters for the session 21-22 for 12th ISC. You must have seen this in various videos, so I'll also be taking up the topics in detail one after the other. So there is a delay in the uploading of the video. I don't have community tab for you people on this channel as of now, so that's why I could not update you. But I was not keeping well. I was in a hospital for a while, so I am back with the videos now and will be continuous so that you don't lose anything anywhere. So let's just discuss the change in the paper pattern first, and then we'll continue with the videos. The table of the content, that means the things which I'm going to discuss today, would be the announcement of the semester system, basically what is semester system. We'll be talking about the two semester system which is there, and plus I'll also be showing you the syllabus which is there for the two semesters. Starting up with the announcement from the from the board ISC. So let's just this is the same circular which was uploaded. You must have received this circular, you must have gone through it, but still I'll be taking you through it once again. So first of all, this academic session only, that means this is not for grade 11th which is going to appear in 12th next year. This is only for this year, this session 21-22. There'll be two semesters with approximately 50% of the syllabus covered in each semester. That means that whatever syllabus was reduced last year, matlab the syllabus which was reduced last year, I had already made a video on the reduced syllabus. So that from that reduced syllabus, there'll be two parts. It will be divided into two parts, one semester and semester two, containing 50% of the whole syllabus in both the semesters, semester one and semester two. जो भी will be taken, whatever will be assessed in semester one will not be taken up in semester two. मतलब semester one में जिनका टेस्ट हो जाएगा वो वाले chapters semester two में नहीं आएंगे. That means you will have very less syllabus and you can score the best. Now, first semester exams will be in November and it will be an MCQ based. Now, I just want to clarify something. MCQ doesn't mean only MCQ. MCQ is, maybe objective paper, you can call it. Fine. And it will be conducted online. It will be online paper and it will be in only semester one. In November. Dates will be finalized as and when they are finalized. I'll get back to you and tell you the dates. Second semester would be in March to April. That means the dates will be there. It's the same for 10th also. So that means your dates as well as 10th ka dates will, be simultaneously placed. Now, this can be conducted online and offline both. That means online भी हो सकता है if there is a lockdown or the schools don't open. Offline भी हो सकता है if everything goes to normal. So you go to your centers and give the exam. Again, I am repeating, जो भी chapters will be taken care of in semester 1 will not be repeated in semester 2. Second semester has only a small crunch of syllabus. So उसी में से you will get the paper, and 80% that paper is going to be a normal paper, not an MCQ one. It will be a subjective paper. So you need to prepare it that ways. Marks for your grade 12th would be 70, marks 70 on 100. 70 is for your theory and 30 marks for your practicals. You all know, please submit your project files on time, submit and give your papers of practicals on time so that you don't lose marks here. Then finally, the weightage of the marks for each semester will be finally used for computation or calculation of your results, which will be brought down to the half. Now, specifically, when we talk about biology, this is your bifurcated syllabus of term 1 and term 2. Now, as you can see here, term 1 is 35 marks, term 2 is 35 marks, total is 70 marks, fine, and 30 marks from your practicals and projects. So this semester 1, you'll only have reproduction, that's a complete unit, matlab nothing is removed. Genetics and evolution, complete unit, nothing is removed. Biology and human welfare, you will only get the third portion or chapter, that is microbes and in human welfare. Uske alawa there are two more which you will get in term 2. But yahan pe you will only get microbes and in human welfare. When we move to semester 2, You have biology and human welfare. दो जो बचे हुए units थे, human health and diseases, strategies of enhancement and food production. Then you will have biotechnology and its applications and ecology and environment, whole complete unit. So if I may just repeat, so reproduction, genetics and evolution, whole unit. Biology and human welfare, a very small portion of microbes in human welfare, that is semester 1. एक बार semester 1 का पेपर हो गया, उसमें से कुछ भी semester 2 में नहीं आएगा. So these 3 units, or you can say 2.5 units, will be in semester 1 and 2.5 in semester 2. If I may just show you the syllabus, we have already done the video on syllabus, so you can watch that video also. You can go through your syllabus booklet as well. So reproduction, the whole unit covering various chapters of sexual reproduction, flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, and so on. Genetics and evolution involving principle of inheritance, molecular basis of inheritance, and evolution. Then we have biology and human welfare, where you will be getting only microbes in human welfare in this semester 1. Semester 2, it has human health and diseases from biology and human welfare, and strategies of enhancement of food production also from biology and human welfare. Then we have biotechnology and its applications involving biotechnology principles, biotechnology and its application. Then you have ecology and environment, which has 3 chapters: organisms and population, ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation, and the 4th chapter, environmental issues. So these are our chapters of grade 12th. I again will say this semester system has given you a lot of chance to score the best. So give your best. Fine. Then again, we have one more, some announcements from my side. That is our next course of action. What will I be doing to prepare you well for these exams? Apart from doing the chapters, we have, completed grade 12th till genetics. That means your semester 1 half, reproduction we have completed, genetics we have completed. We are just left with the third portion. So I'll be taking that third portion now. And genetics ka I think thoda sa portion is left. We'll do that portion. So I'll be completing these 2 units for grade 12th now on the channel with the video. Apart from this, I'll be also making videos to, prepare you for, giving your full potential in making prep or preparing for term 1 and term 2. That means how to prepare for objectives and then for subjectives for term 1. Also, we'll be making videos for making notes and all. So be in touch, keep watching the videos and be there on the channel. Share it with your friends so that more and more children join in and can be benefited. Thank you all. But still, if you have any questions, please write a comment in the video, or again, I'll be waiting for your responses. And if you feel like, discussing something, please drop it in a mail to biologyiseasynow@gmail.com. I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll be waiting for your responses so that I can reply back on them. Please be in touch. Please share it as much as possible so that the children who are in grade 12th and are unable to get coaching somewhere or the other, they can get the material free here. So please be with me to share the channel as much as possible. Thank you so much, and bye.